Hello students, good morning to all of you. In the last lecture we have studied practice set 3.3. Now in this lecture we are going to study application of arithmetic progression, that is word problems. So let us see the word problems from practice set 3.4. Let us see the first example from practice set 3.4. On 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10 on the first day, rupees 12 on second day, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? आता बघा इथं आपल्याला डिसेंबरच्या 31 तारखेला म्हणजे 2016 या पूर्ण वर्षात जानेवारी 1 पासून ते डिसेंबर 31 पर्यंत टोटल किती सेव्हिंग होतो हे आपल्याला काढायचं आहे, म्हणजेच एसएन काढायचं आहे. ओके, मग पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला त्या वर्षामध्ये किती दिवस असतात हे आपल्याला काढावं लागेल. ओके, सो हियर सानिका saves rupees 10 on first day, rupees 11 on second day, and rupees 12 on third day. Okay, so here the saving is increasing by rupees 1. Therefore 10, 11, 12 dash is an AP. Therefore here A is equal to 10 and common difference D is equal to 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. The year 2016 is leap year. Therefore 2016 year has or have 366 days. बरोबर आहे, लीप वर्ष म्हणजे 366 डेज असतात, मग कॉमन इयर मध्ये 365 डेज असतात. ओके, देयरफॉर हियर n is equal to 366 and a is equal to 10 and d is equal to 1. Here we have to find the sum of the saving in 366 days. Here we have to find sum of savings in 366 days. Okay, for that use Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So put here n is equal to 366. So yes, 366 is equal to 366 divided by 2 into a is a 10 plus n is 366 minus 1 into d is 1. Now that is equal to divide by 2 to 366. So 2 ones are 2, remains 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. into 2 into 10 means 20 plus 366 minus 1 into 1 365, that is equal to 183 into the sum of 20 and 365 is a 385. Now multiply these two terms, we will get here 70,455. So look here, 385 into 183, 3 5 is a 15, carry 1, 3 8 is a 24 plus 1 25, carry 2, 3 3 is a 9 plus 2 11, 0. So 8 into 5 40, carry 4, 8 into 8 64 plus 4 60, 8 carry 6, 8 3 is a 24 6, 24 plus 6 30. So 2 zeros, 1 into 5 5, 1 into 8 8, 1 into 3 3. So 5, this 5, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 5 4, carry 1, 1 plus 8 9 plus 1 10, carry 1 6 plus 1 7, 70,455 is the multiplication. Therefore S66 366 is equal to this one. That means therefore total saving of Sanika on 31st December 2016 is rupees 70,455. Okay. Now look at the second question. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agree to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 monthly installments, each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and the last installment. म्हणजे इथं 8,000 रुपये कर्ज घेतलेली रक्कम आहे आणि त्याच्यावरती 1,360 रुपये काय आहे, व्याज आहे. हे सगळं मिळून त्यांनी 12 महिन्यात फेडण्याचं मान्य केलं. तर त्यातलं प्रत्येक दुसऱ्या महिन्याचा जो हप्ता आहे, इन्स्टॉलमेंट आहे, तो 40 रुपयांनी कमी आहे, म्हणजे कमी कमी होत जात आहे. तर पहिल्या इन्स्टॉलमेंट मध्ये तो किती भरला आणि लास्ट इन्स्टॉलमेंट मध्ये किती भरला हे आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. ओके, हियर द टोटल अमाउंट टू repay is equal to how much? The total principal is 8,000 plus interest is 1,360, that is equal to rupees how much? 9,360. It is the total amount. That means it is given that S12. It is the S12. Therefore S12 is equal to how much? 9,360. Here the each installment is less by rupees 40 than the previous installment, installment. ओके, म्हणजे पूर्वीच्या इन्स्टॉलमेंट पेक्षा 40 रुपयांनी कमी आहे. म्हणजे therefore the installments are in an AP with D is equal to -40. कमी आहे म्हणजे मायनस असणार आहे, जास्त असेल तर प्लस येणार आहे. म्हणजे 40 रुपये कमी असल्यामुळे D is equal to -40 असणार आहे. ओके, So here n is equal to 12. So use the formula Sn is equal to, okay, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. By using this formula we can find a. So here S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into 2a, because a is to be found, so write as it is a. N is a 12 minus 1 into d is a minus 40. Okay, that is equal to 12 upon 2 is a 6 into 2a plus 12 minus 1 is a 11 into minus 40. Okay. So S12 is 9360. 6 into 2a minus 11 into minus 40 is a minus 440. So divide by 6 to on both sides. So you will get here 360 upon 6 is equal to 2a minus 440. Okay. So here we will get divide by 6 to this 9360. 6 ones are 6, remains 3. Take this 3, becomes 33. 6 5s are 30, remains 3. Take this one 6, will get 36. 6 6 the 36, and take this 0 as it is, that is equal to 2a minus 440. Take this minus 440 to this side, it will become here plus 440. So 1560 plus 440 is equal to 2a. So you will get here 2000 is equal to 2a. Okay. So 1560 plus 440 is a 2000. Therefore a is equal to here 2000 divided by 2, that is a is equal to 1000. Therefore the first installment is rupees 1000. Therefore the first installment is equal to rupees 1000. Okay. Let us find the last installment, that is T12. For that use the Tn formula, that means nth term of an AP, a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So right here n T12 is equal to a is a 1000 plus n is 12 minus 1 into d is a minus 40. Okay, that is equal to 1000 plus 11 into minus 40, that is equal to 1000 plus, or here minus plus 11 into minus 40, minus 440, that is equal to how much? 560. 1000 मधनं 440 माइनस करा, 560. So T12 is equal to 560. Therefore the last installment is equal to rupees 560. Therefore the first installment is rupees 1000 and the last installment is rupees 560. Now let us see the third example. Third question. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year he invested rupees 5000. In the second year he invested rupees 7000. In the third year he invested rupees 9000, and so on. Find the total amount he invested in 12 years. Here the Sachin invested some amounts in a national savings certificate scheme. He invest in the first year. Sachin invest in first year rupees 5,000. In second year rupees 7,000. In third year rupees 9,000, and so on. Okay, so the here saving is increases by, therefore here saving is increasing by rupees 2,000. Okay, therefore the saving is, or savings are in an AP with first term A is equal to 5,000 and common difference D is equal to 2,000, and when N is equal to 12 here. 12 महिन्यात तो किती सेविंग करतो ते काढायचं आपल्याला. Here what is to be find here? Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. So we have to find total invest in 12 years. Okay, that is what? S12 आपल्याला काढायचे. So use here SN is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the value of n here. So S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into 2 into the value of A is 5,000 plus n is 12 minus 1 into D is 2,000. Okay, that is equal to 12 upon 2 is 6 into 2 into 5,000 means 10,000 plus 11. 12 minus 1 is 11 into this 2,000. Okay, that is equal to how much? 6 into 6 into bracket 10,000 plus 11 into 2 22,000. Okay, that is equal to S12. So S12 is equal to 6 into sum of 10,000 and 22,000, that is 33,000. That is equal to 6 into 3 18, carry 1, 6 into 3 18 plus 1 19, this zeros. So S12 is equal to 1,98,000. Therefore the total saving of Sachin in 12 years is rupees 1,98,000. Okay, so sorry, here 10,000 plus 22,000, there will be 32,000. So here multiplication will be here 6 into 2 12, carry 1, 6 into 3 18 plus 1 19. So 1,92,000 is there. Therefore, total saving of Sachin in 12 years is rupees 1,92,000. Let us see the fourth question. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in the 15th row and also find how many total seats are there in the auditorium. म्हणजे इथे एक सभागृह आहे, त्या सभागृहामध्ये 27 ओळी आहेत. त्या 27 ओळीमध्ये असे काही सीट्स आहेत, म्हणजे खुर्च्या आहेत. पहिल्या ओळीमध्ये आहेत किती 20 खुर्च्या आहेत पहिल्या ओळीमध्ये, दुसऱ्या ओळीमध्ये 22 खुर्च्या आहेत, तिसऱ्यामध्ये 24. याप्रमाणे 27 ओळींमध्ये खुर्च्यांची संख्या आहे. तर आपल्याला 15व्या ओळीत असणाऱ्या खुर्च्यांची संख्या काढायचं आहे. दॅट मीन्स हिअर वी हॅव टू फाइंड T15 of an AP, means 15th term of an AP. So here the seats in 27 rows are 20, 22, 24 dash dash. Here the seats are increasing by 2. The seats are increasing by 2. बघा प्रत्येक रो मध्ये दोन्ही वाढत आहे. Therefore the seats in the rows are in an AP. Okay, therefore A is equal to, what is A here? 20, the first term, and D common difference, D is equal to how much? 22 here. 22 minus 20, that is equal to 2, increasing by 2. Okay, and N is equal to how much? 27, because 27 rows are there total. Okay, total 27 rows are there. So right here we have to find number of seats in 15th row. Okay, therefore that is we have to find T15. Therefore use here Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T15 काढायचं म्हणून Tn फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे. So find here T15 is equal to A is a 20 plus n is 15 minus 1 into D is a 2. Okay, that is equal to 20, this as it is, plus 15 minus 1, 14 into this 2, that is equal to 20 plus 28. 14 into 2, 28, that is equal to how much? 48. T15 is 48. That means the number of seats or total seats in the 15th row is a 48. So let us find the total number of seats in 27 rows. That means S27. Therefore use here Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so yes 27 is equal to 27 upon 2 into 2 into a is a 20 plus n is 27 minus 1 into d is a 2. Okay, that is equal to, write this one as it is 27 upon 2 because 27 is not divided by 2, sorry, divisible by 2. 2 into 20 is 40 plus 27 minus 1 is 26 into 2, that is equal to this 27 upon 2 as it is into or into bracket 40 plus 26 into 2, 52. So addition will be here 27 into 92, 27 upon 2 into 92. Now divide by 2 to the 92. So we'll get here 27 into 2 8 2 4 8, remains 1, 2 6 12. Okay. आता गुणाकार करा 27 गुणिले 46, 27 अख 62 असेल, 162 अच्याला 16, 27 चौक अष्टोदुर्शे 108, 108 अधिक 16 बघा 108 अधिक 16 हे 8 आणि 7 14, अच्याला 1 2 1 124, 1242. Yes, 27 is 1242. So yes, 27. Then write the answer. Therefore, in the number of seats in the 15th row is 48 and the total number of seats in the auditorium is 1242. जे प्रश्न आहे बघा ते प्रश्न शेवटी उत्तर लिहायचं आहे. ओके, the total number of seats in the 15th row is 48 and the total number of seats in the auditorium is 1242. Okay, now let us see the fifth example. Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. If temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degree Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. म्हणजे इथं 6 दिवसाचं टेम्परेचर आहे आणि ते 6 दिवसाचं टेम्परेचर काय आहेत म्हणून दिलेत, AP मध्ये आहेत असं दिलेलं आहे. त्याच्यावरनं एका दिवसाचं टेम्परेचर दिलेलं आहे तिथं -30 डिग्री सेल्सिअस, दॅट इज बुधवारचं टेम्परेचर दिलं आहे. त्याच्यावरनं बाकीचे उरलेल्या 5 दिवसाचं टेम्परेचर आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. ओके, सो हिअर द टेम्परेचर्स आर इन an AP. Temperatures. So here the temperatures are the temperatures are in an AP. It is given. Okay, it is given here. Let the temperatures in degree Celsius from Monday to Saturday are A minus 3D, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. हे temperatures आहेत. These are the temperatures from Monday to Saturday. Okay, so here the temperature of Wednesday is given. The temperature of Wednesday is given. The temperature the temperature of Wednesday is minus 30 degree Celsius. Therefore, here the temperature of Monday is this one, Tuesday, and this one is a Wednesday. That is A minus D is equal to minus 30 degree Celsius or minus 30. Say this as equation number 1. Now, the sum of the temperatures of on Monday and Saturday is 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of the temperatures of Monday, Tuesday and Saturday. So here, by the given condition, what is the condition here? The sum of the temperatures of Monday and Saturday. Temperature of Monday is A minus 3D plus temperature of Saturday is A plus 2D is equal to 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of the temperatures of Monday, Tuesday and Saturday. So the temperature of Tuesday is A minus 2D plus the temperature of Saturday is A plus 2D more than 5, that means plus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here we will get 2A minus D. Okay, 2A minus D is equal to 2A plus 5 is minus 2D and plus 2D cancelled. Okay, take this 2A to this side, you will get here 2A, this will become here minus 2A, this one is minus D is equal to 5. Okay, so here minus D is equal to this 2A and this 2A cancelled, so minus D is equal to, you will get 5. Minus D is equal to 5 means what? Minus D is equal to 5 means D is equal to, so D is equal to minus 5. It is the common difference D. Okay. Now substitute the value of this D is equal to minus 5 in equation number 1. So write equation number 1 here. Here A minus D is equal to minus 30. It is the equation number 1. So put here D is a minus 5. Write this one A as it is, minus into bracket minus 5 is equal to minus 30. Therefore A minus into minus plus 5 is equal to minus 30. Take this plus 5 to this side. So it will become here A is equal to minus 30 minus 30 minus 5. That is A is equal to minus 35. So A is minus 35 and D is a minus 5. Then find the values of A minus 3D, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. So to find the temperatures. Okay, so here A minus 3D is equal to A minus 3D. A is a minus 35 minus 3 into bracket minus 5, that is equal to minus 35 as it is, this minus into minus plus 3 into 5 15, so that is equal to minus 20. Okay, minus 20. Again find A minus 2D. So you have to find here A minus 2D. A minus 2D is equal to A is minus 35 minus 2 into bracket minus 5, that is equal to minus 35 minus into minus plus 10, that is equal to minus 25. Again find A minus D. is equal to minus 35 minus into bracket minus 5, that is equal to how much? Minus 35 plus minus into minus plus 5, that is equal to minus 30. Okay, minus 30. Again find A is equal to minus 30 is given. When set temperature is given minus 30. So here write only A minus D is equal to minus 30 and A is equal to minus 35. Again find A plus B is equal to minus 35 plus into bracket minus 5. That means what? That is equal to minus 5, 35 minus into plus minus 5, that is equal to minus 40. Okay, again A plus 2D is equal to A plus 2D is equal to A means minus 35 plus 2 into D means minus 5. Okay, that is equal to minus 35 plus into minus 2 into 5, 10. That is equal to minus 45. Therefore, the temperatures of 6 days. Therefore, the temperatures from Monday to Saturday are the temperatures. Therefore, the temperature at Kargil for the week are minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 35 degrees Celsius, minus 40 degrees Celsius and minus 45 degrees Celsius. Okay. So let us see the last example, sixth one. On the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there are two trees, in the third row there are three trees, and so on. Find the total number of trees in the 25 rows. Here the number of trees in the rows are increases by 1. Therefore, the number of trees in the rows are in an AP with the first term A is equal to 1 and the common difference D is also 1. Okay. The trees here, the trees in the rows are increasing by 1. Therefore, the trees in the row are in an AP with first term. With first term A is equal to 1 and the common difference D is equal to 1. Okay, here we have to find the total number of trees in the 25 rows. Here we have to find total number of trees in 25 rows, that is S25. So use here SN formula. Therefore, SN is equal to total number of trees. Total trees काढायचं म्हणून S25 काढायचं आहे. So number of trees in the 25th row काढायचं असेल तर काय काढावं लागणार आपल्याला? T25 काढावं लागतं. Okay. So SN is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now put the values of N, A and D. So S25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into A is 1 plus N is 25 minus this 1 into D is 1. Okay, that is equal to 25 upon 2 as it is, because 25 is not divisible by 2. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 25 minus 1 is 24. So this one into 1, that means 24. That is equal to, what will get here? That is equal to, we will get here 25. So look here, yes, 25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into how much? 2 into 2 plus 24 is 26. That is equal to 25 into 13. So here divide by 2 to 26, we will get 13. That is equal to 25 3 is 75. Carry 7. 25 1 is 25 plus 7, 32. So yes, 25 is equal to how much? 325. Therefore, the total number of trees planted, therefore, total number of trees planted is how much? 325. Okay, understand? I hope that all of you understood. So thank you.